Hello from the Quail Kingdom. I've got a new microphone, so I hope it works well. Let me know in the comments how you find the audio. I usually used to use my mobile phone for audio and video. So mobile phone is still for the video, the audio now here, the microphone, and I hope for a bit of a better quality. So yeah, it would be great if you let me know in the comments. Also because of all the noises, all the birds around me, I hope you can still understand me well. So in today's video, I'm going to plant some perennial spinach, the Brazilian spinach here in the Quails aviary for the birds, to provide them with fresh greens all the time. I used to have one plant here, but after a couple of years the plant disappeared and now time for a new one. So we are doing some planting today, and I'm also planning to make a separate quail video, like a Q&A session video where I answer all your questions. I'm getting many questions since we've got the aviary, and since I've got the birds here, the quails, and I have already made a list of the most asked questions. But also, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and maybe it has not been asked yet, so I will cover it as well in the dedicated video. But now I will show you some birds at first, what they do, and then we do the planting. And here there are some of them. I gave them like an hour ago tons of leaves, cauliflower leaves and some carrot leaves, and yeah, most of it is already gone. They love their greens. That is why I always aim to provide as much as possible for them, because always happy and healthy birds, so all happy and healthy eggs and also meat. And I always want for them to have a good life. All right, now let me check where is the best place to plant the Brazilian spinach. I guess this will be a good spot, just near the giant Thai white guava and near the strawberry guavas. And I have a ring here. You have to have a ring if you want the spinach to survive for as long as possible. So now it will be funny because the quails want to be everywhere. I moved some of the mulch. This is just the grass, basically, what I was mowing. I always give them some of the grass, fresh grass, so they also they eat it, of course, and so I just moved it because I want to plant the Brazilian spinach somewhere here, and they, of course, found a great place to find some ants and so on. Yes, you do. And you as well. Aren't they cute? Oops. Okay, so you can dig here, and I will plant the Brazilian spinach here actually, so I can still go through here. Brazilian spinach actually likes. Oh, there is an egg. Oh, look at them. You have to you have to have a look what happens. Well, I have to check. Look, planting, planting with quails. Yeah, I can still get through here. That will be good. Okay, now, baby, now that will be funny. Okay, look at her. Whoops. So my Brazilian spinach is here. I just dug it out from a different place where I have heaps of it. It doesn't look very happy because it's actually winter, and Brazilian spinach doesn't like really winter. It will survive very well in tropics and subtropics, but if you live in a temperature climate, I would recommend to put it into a pot and yeah, protect it in winter, through the winter. So now it will recover very quickly. I have to be so careful because these birds, they don't care that I'm walking around. Now, that's funny. They are eating all the worms, all the bugs and everything. I have to show you. This place is now most interesting of the entire aviary because I moved the soil. So very simple. So they probably found already. All the ants and bugs, and have taken care of them. So now let me plant this here, and of course I will put the ring around it. Otherwise this plant would be gone within a couple of days. All the leaves, everything will be just gone. So, oh sorry baby. How handy with the mulch. Okay, ring on without any quail if possible in it. Okay, look at it. And look how easy it is. Now, this is, yeah, like a hook or something, so the ring doesn't go anywhere. And of course, watering, don't forget. Now it will take a couple of days until the plant recovers really, and a week or two until it starts to grow. We have spring now, so it's perfect time to plant, replant, and so on. And while I'm on it, I will also provide a ring for the Ceylon hill gooseberry, which I planted here last year, but they are damaging all the leaves all the time. Okay, some protection and some support. It can grow much better now. I only have to get like the hook, so it will stay in place nicely. So that's better. The plants are safe. The quails can wait now. They love the Brazilian spinach. It's a fantastic perennial spinach. The last one I had here in the aviary, it died because actually it cannot expand. So the Brazilian spinach will grow forever if the branches can catch the soil and can grow some more roots, and the plant expands. If I have it in a ring like this one, there is no room to expand, so it will die the same like in a pot. So it will die after a couple of years or so. So if you are growing Brazilian spinach in a pot, it's it is recommended to propagate it. It grows very well from cuttings, so you can propagate it and make new plants to ensure yours doesn't die. And yeah, if you don't have the plant, I have young plants available in my online store, and there is also lots and lots more information about the plant. Now, that's all for now today. Don't forget my upcoming Q&A session video. Put your questions in the comment section below if you want to know more, if you have any questions about quails, and we will cover it all in one of the next videos. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, as usually, don't forget, like, subscribe, and so on. And leave a comment below. Let me know with the microphone how it works. And any other comments are always greatly appreciated. It also helps my channel to grow and to get up in the search, which is always helpful. So yeah, take care, and I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Yeah? What have you been finding there, huh? They love ants. They love everything. When I um, when I move the soil, or when I move, or when I dig a hole, you have seen they are always always happy. All right, take care, guys. Bye bye.